Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the client, MySQL Workbench versus a terminal. Once confirmed, open Workbench Preferences or your cnf/my ensthy file. This is where font settings live. Make a quick copy of the config file before changes because you can always restore it. Next, find the Fonts and Colors section in Workbench or the Terminal Emulator settings if you use CLI. Do this now so the first actionable edits are immediately available. No waiting, just the precise file and UI panels you'll edit. Now adjust the actual values. In Workbench, set editor font and size, tweak line height, then hit apply so the change renders instantly. If you use a terminal, change the emulator font size or edit my cnf/my ensthy under Client or MySQL with a client-specific display option if supported, then save. Once done, restart Workbench or reconnect your terminal session to load the new settings. Make sure to test query output and grid legibility. You want readable labels and no wrapping issues. Finish by validating every interface area. Query editor, results grid, and status bar. Confirm sizes are consistent. If something looks off, revert to your backup config, then try a different font family or adjust DPI scaling. System scaling often overrides client fonts. Make sure to restart the app after each change, and if you still have problems, reset Workbench preferences to defaults before reapplying edits. One key troubleshooting tip: change only one value at a time so you can identify which set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.